Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another tutorial for you. This one's going to be It's Alright by Anthony Hamilton. I'm going to go ahead and play through the chords so you can see what it sounds like. Okay, so that first chord is an A. And go to a B minor. And then the turnaround is just a E11. So I guess the more challenging part is getting the rhythm down. So I'm going to play it normal speed and then I'll slow it down on the A chord. Okay, so let me slow that down for you. Okay, one more time. Okay, and it's the same thing for the B minor as well. And you just bounce back between those two. Speed it up. And then when you do that on the fourth time, you go through these two patterns of bouncing back. You just go to the E11 and just hit that like twice, and then go back to the A and repeat.